Carmen and Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Today, I am bringing you my H&M most current haul. Now, you know, I'm always shopping. Yes, I'm always shopping because, hello, I want to bring these hauls to you. So today I am bringing you my quote-unquote plus size H&M haul. I picked up, let's just put it like this. I picked up a couple of things and each item is a little different to give you a little variety just in case you are planning a vacation or a little weekend getaway. These are some items that I'm sure you would like to pack in your little overnight bag. Let's get into the H&M overnight bag haul. Things that you need to pack from H&M for your weekend vacation. That's a good one. This is the top that I picked up, mint green, you see it. It is Razorback style and I love the light ribbed texture and I love it. The only thing that I do not like about it is that it kind of shows my bra strap. I would not want that to happen. You know, it's just a little bit of it peeking out. I don't know, maybe if I chose a different bra, but right now I have the, whatever that popular bra is from Nordstrom's that everybody raves about. That is this bra and it has a little hook where you close it up to bring in your straps. I have that on, but it is sticking out and I don't like that. So I did not want to put on the strapless bra because I feel like strapless bras and with my size 40, double D does not really hold up the girls to give you a little lift. So I wanted to keep on my regular bra. So that's just a couple of things to notate when you are purchasing this Razorback style shirt. Do you want your bra strap to show? Or if you are okay with using your strapless bra and having them just a little bit lower, just a little bit going south. So this is the first item. I picked this up in a extra large. I do not remember the price, so I'm gonna drop it down in this little area down below. So this is it. I feel like it's a little see-through, but it is nicely ribbed, very soft. Let's see what it looks like in the back, huh? So what do you think? What do you think about this? It hits me right at my waist. I do have a short waist, so just know that if you are purchasing this, it's very, very soft. I'm just feeling it and it's really soft. And I'm not one to not wear a bra. Some people are cool with not wearing a bra, but I am not cool with my boobies being way down here. Let's get to the next item. The next item is this pair. Ooh, it's gonna wash out. It is gonna wash out because it is, I'm holding up white in front of the camera. As you can see, white shorts with this paper bag waistband, elastic with the belt hoops, and it has 2 snap buttons and a zipper. There is no pockets in the back, but look at those pockets in the front. And then you have a cuff at the bottom of the short leg. So I like it, very detailed. The seams are very nice. You have a seam going down the middle in the back. Very stretchy, very nice, lightweight denim. Size 12, $12.99. Now, they don't fit. No. And this is all they had was a size 12. And I thought that it would go, you know, perfectly with this top. And as I put it together, it does. So I think that this mint green with a really bright white would pair well if you are going on your weekend getaway. Yeah. So this is cute. You can use these shorts if you are going, you know, to breakfast. Put on this top and then put on these shorts, and you are out the door for breakfast down in the lobby. And then if you are also, you know, you got the hotel and the hotel is right next to the beach, then you can also put these on over your bikini bottom. Great pair of shorts, just doesn't fit me. It might fit you, but it does not fit me. So what I did was I paired it with a pair of linen short, but the color I don't like. I want stark white, but stark white, what I purchased did not fit. So I just paired it with these H&M linen paper bag shorts. If you'd like additional details on these shorts, make sure you check out the video. Let's move to the next item. Oh my God, I just received my Mother's Day flowers from my friend. They're so pretty. This video will be going up on Tuesday. Happy belated Mother's Day to everyone who is a mother. Let's get back into the haul. So I picked up this tropical palm print romper. I love it. It's cute. Nice little thin straps, little buttons right here. You know, make sure you don't have to go potty because, you know, you're going to have to take everything off. But it's cute. It is cute. Let me step back. Here it is. I know that wedges are the thing for spring and summer. I am not too much of a wedge person. So, but I do have a couple of them. So here are the wedges that I am going to pair this romper with. Have a little bit of the cork in the back of the heel and then in the front of the heel. Now I have a strapless bra on. Kind of V-neck, I like it. Very flattering to the figure at the top. Yeah, what do you think? Let me know. There is 4 little buttons going down the top portion of the romper. I think it's cute. Slightly V with this vibrant splash of yellow. I think this palm print romper is great. So I thought this would pair nicely with the romper. They're very old, but have not been used that much. And the next item is this crinkled mint green dress. It is everything. It is soft. I love the crinkle material. It's just all good. It's short sleeves, more crinkled right here at the end of the sleeve. Look at this dress. Look at it. This is something that you can wear to a lunch. You can wear it to brunch. You can wear it, throw on a denim jacket. And if you're going to a casual dinner, you can wear it to dinner. Just pair them with some really sexy wedge heels and you're good to go. So let's see what we can do. Oh, and a purse, huh? You need a purse. You don't have to have one. I picked this up, I believe, in an extra large. I love it. It's not a bodycon dress, but it does have a really nice fit that will hug your shape well. So if you are, you know, self-conscious about your stomach, then this would not be the outfit for you. Or if you want, you can always tie something around your waist and conceal this area. But, you know, it is what it is, and this is what you would get if you were going out with me. So here's the back. It is super. This material from H&M is super soft, lightweight, perfect for going on a vacation. This material is perfect. You don't have to iron it. You don't have to steam it. You can just roll it up. Just roll it up and put it in your weekend overnight bag. That's it, and you're good. You are good to go. So let me grab those shoes. They are another pair of wedges. Since wedges is on trend, I'm trying to bring in trend. Now, of course, these are older because that's all I have. Here are the wedges that I'm going to pair this dress with. I think I will keep them on for the rest of the video because look, I gotta strap it up and oh, I feel like it's gonna be a lot of strapping. We're gonna have to take a little while to do this, so I'm gonna keep them on. Whatever it's called, because I cannot think of the proper name for it, I'll just list it right here once I think of it. And then if I don't think of it, then you let me know. And by the way, what I am asking for you today is please make sure you watch on Thursday. On Thursday, I will be uploading another Torrid haul, and I want to make for sure that people watch, like, and comment on this Torrid haul. Please, please, please. Okay, that is for my Team Torrid people. My Team Torrid people. All right, it has the bandeau top, cute spaghetti straps, very, very thin, so I'm gonna call them spaghetti straps. And then the rest is the pantsuit. If my camera is not picking it up well, this is like a very pale yellow, muted yellow. Those are the only two things that I can think of to describe this color. It is not beige, it is not white, it is a pale muted yellow. That's all I can think of. Let's turn around in the back. Let's see. This is the side. Hello, how you doing? I kept on the heels, a good thing because these pants are very long, so this is definitely tall girl friendly. I am 5'3", and I had to put on these wedges to make sure that my pant leg would not be dragging the ground. Okay, so this is how it looks. I like it. What do you think? Let me know, comment. Do you think it's cute? Would you wear it out to dinner? I would wear it out to dinner. I don't know about you, but I would wear it out to dinner. It's fun and it's flirty and it's just perfect to go into that weekend overnight bag. Yes, yes. Get that bag packed. Put this in it. I like when pieces can be worn several different ways. Let me show you. This is gonna be the first look, just plain. If you wanna add accessories, of course, add accessories. Let me grab the bag that I will wear it with, and that will be putting it together the second look. The second look will be me grabbing my bag, ready to go. Now this bag is gonna go perfectly well with my shoes. And of course, with my outfit. Now, if I wanted to change it up just a little, I can do that. And how do I do that? Adding some little accessories or changing up my purse. Simple. Hold on. I added a belt. I previously hauled this in my Eloquy haul, so make sure you check it out. I'll list the video right here. And then I added my H&M bag that I paired it with. So I think this is really cute. Just a way to put a different spin on it. You don't always have to keep changing your clothes. just alternating with the item that you have. The pantsuit by itself was number 1, and then number 2 was me adding the handbag to match the shoes. And then number 3 look is to add accessories. Add the belt accessory, the purse to give it a little bit of pop. It matches the belt, but also goes with the jumpsuit. That's what it's called, huh? It's called a jumpsuit. So this is the look. Let me know what you think about this look. Comment below. Let me know. I want to know. Do you like it? Is it something that you will wear? That is it for my H&M vacation pack your bag, let's go over the weekend haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Please do not forget to watch my Torrid haul on Thursday of this week at 10 a.m. I would love for you to watch it. Let me know if you like it. We're all about vacation mode. The sun is shining in most places. The sun is shining. It's getting hotter and hotter. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you, yes you, in my next video. Bye-bye. Bye.